Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian Farm Life. Today we are going to explore something very simple yet very beautiful. Fresh organic tomatoes growing naturally on an Indian farm. Take a moment, look closely at these tomatoes. Their naturally color, their shine, their freshness. The is not just food. This is the result of hard work, patterning and nature's blessing. In today's modern world, most people buy vegetables from supermarkets, but very few people actually see how they grow in real farms. So in this video, I will take you closer to nature, closer to real farming, closer to the life of a farmer. Look at these tomatoes. Each tomato is growing slowly on the plant, taking sunlight, weather and nature's from the soil. The green levels protect them and the branches hold them carefully. You can see different colors here. Some are still green, some are turning yellow, and some are fully red and ready to harvest. This is the nature process of growth, nothing artificial, nothing chemical, just pure nature. When tomatoes grow naturally, their taste becomes rich and full of flavor. That's why farm tomatoes always taste but better than market ones. Life on a farm is simple but not easy. Farmers wake up early in the morning. They take care of crops, give weather, remove weeds, and protect plants from insects. Tomato farming requires regular attention because the plant is delicate. It needs paper, sunlight, proper weather, and proper care. Every single tomato you see here is the result of daily effort and dedication. First, the farmer prepares the soil. Then seeds are planted carefully. After a few days, small plants starts growing. The small plants are very weak. They need protection. As time passes, the plant becomes stronger. Leaves grow bigger. Flowers starts appearing and then slowly small green tomatoes begin to form. Day by day they grow bigger. They change color and finally they become ripe and ready. The enterprises take weeks, sometimes months, and during this time farmers take care of every single plant. Listen to the environment, the sound of wind, the movements of leaves, the clam and pacifical atmospheres. Farm life is not just about food protection. It is also about place. It is about concept with nature. In cities, life is fast and stressful. But here on the farm, everything is slow and nature. Organic tomatoes are healthier. They do not contain harmful chemicals. They grow naturally. They are rich in vitamins and nutrients. Eating fresh from tomatoes improves health and supports farmers who work hard every day. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a quiet farm, fresh or green plants, and the soft sunlight touching the leaves. Now slowly open your eyes and look at these beautiful tomatoes. Welcome to Indian Farm Life. Today we are not just watching tomatoes, we are expanding a journey from soil to life to food. Everything starts with a small seed, a tiny seed, almost invisible, but inside it there is life. The farmers place these seeds into the soil, cover it gently, and waits. Days pass, nothing is visible, but underground something magical is happening. The seed is waking up. Slowly, a small plant comes out of the soil, very soft, very difficult, like a newborn child. It needs perfection, it needs care, it needs love. The farmer watches it every day, making sure it gets enough weather and sunlight. As time goes on, the plants become stronger, leaves grow bigger, branch spreads around, and the one day small yellow flowers appear. These flowers are very important because they will soon turn into tomatoes. After the flowers, small green tomatoes start to grow. At first they are tiny, almost happened, bending the leaves, but slowly day by day they grow bigger. The absorb natures from the soil, they take energy from the sun. Nature is doing its work quietly. As days pass, the green tomatoes begin to change color from green to light yellow, from yellow to orange, and finally to deep red. This is the season of ripen. The is when the tomato is ready, ready to be picked, ready to be eaten. Eaten. Behind every tomato, there is farmer's hard work. Early mornings, long days under the sun, taking care of plants, perfection them. Farming is not easy, but it is honest work. Farmers don't just grow food, they grow life. Farm life is peaceful. There is no noise of traffic, no stress of city life, only nature, only fresh air, only cleanliness. When you watch these tomatoes, you are not just watching a plant, you are feeling nature. Think about it. The food we eat every day comes from farms like this, but we often forget the effort behind it. Next time you eat a tomato, remember the